Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to convert PDF invoice into XLS using PDF.co and Zapier. You can see the link of full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. Here's the PDF invoice that we're going to use and convert it into an XLS file. So let's begin. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. Next, search and select the Google Drive app. Then, choose the new file and folder as a trigger. Let's set up the trigger. For the Drive field, select My Google Drive. Then, choose the specific folder where the file was stored. After setting up, click the Test Trigger button. Once the test trigger was successful, you can now add another app. Search and select the PDF.co app. Then, choose the PDF to anything converter. This API will help us convert PDF to any document. We will now set up the action. Let's select XLS spreadsheet for output format. Next, select the web content link from your Google Drive. Then, add your desired XLS file name. Once you're done setting up the configuration, click on the Test and Review button. Our test was a success. Kindly copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the converted XLS document. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.